Nag-fail ka ba recently? Wait, wag mo muna isipin na talo ka. Let me show you how failures can be your best teachers. First, stop labeling yourself. Unang gawin, huwag i-label ang sarili mo bilang loser. Ang failure is just an event, hindi identity mo. Second, analyze what happened. Tanungin ang sarili, ano ang pwede kong matutunan dito, hindi para sisihin pero para ma-improve ang next attempt mo. Third, extract lessons. Bawat failure may lesson. Siguro kulang ka sa preparation or need mo lang i-adjust approach. Write it down para malinaw. Fourth, apply and grow. Next time, gamitin ang learnings mo. Failure plus action equals progress. Remember, ang successful people, madaming failures pero they never quit. Next time ma-fail ka, isipin mo, lesson na ito, hindi defeat. Follow for more life tips para maging strong and confident. Comment learning kung gusto mo ng tips paano mag-bounce back fast.